A classroom program at T.I.M.E Education, that was a different kind of experience. I have been a part, I have joined the classes at Career Launcher and I have been there at times. So when we talk about times, the classes here were quite different because here the teachers were focusing, when we started the classroom program, that was quite extended, and they focused from the very starting on the basics. Okay. Because most of these exams, what they have, the kind of question they have in a DI and in a maths, they focus on the basics that we learned from 9 to 12. And in time, the biggest thing that helped me was that they helped me clear my basics. The T.I.M.E material, they focused on specific subjects which usually come in the examination, in the CAT entrance and other MBA entrance examinations. So that was the first part. And even in these, many of the topics were such that you had to clear your basics, like when we talk about speed and time. People know how to deal with the high level question, they know about the shortcuts. But before the shortcut, what a person requires is to know the basics, how they derive the shortcuts. That was something which was taught at times. Apart from that, also there was a peer group. Many students were there, they were from different backgrounds, like many of my friends, they were from DU. So those people, they had different kind of education, and like what we used to do was, after the class, we used to interact with each other, have some group sessions at our home and stuff. And there we used to discuss our problems. And we used to like shortlist some of the questions which none of us were able to understand, and then have a doubt session with the faculty. So that was also very helpful for us. In each and every class, there's something new which is being taught. Right. And apart from that, most important thing is, many a time what happens is, usually the T.I.M.E faculty, they give you the schedule, what all topics are going to be discussed in the class in a specific session. But the biggest thing is, when you're in a class, many of the students who are there, they have different kind of questions, they have different queries, which like even you might have problem with. So these kind of queries are answered by the faculty, these are solved by the faculty, and these really help you out.
My name is Professor Amitabh Bhattacharya, and I'm going to be your dean for the next 2 years. Why don't we introduce ourselves? You?
I'm Rajiv, and I'm from T.I.M.E.
I'm Shipra, and I'm from T.I.M.E. Kashmira from T.I.M.E as well.
Joshua from T.I.M.E.
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 From T.I.M.E.
Okay. How many of you are from T.I.M.E? That's even better than last year.